How to check Walmart gift card balance. Hello and welcome back to our YouTube channel How to Tutorials. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can check Walmart gift card balance. You can use different methods in order to check your Walmart gift card balance. You may also visit the Walmart's gift card balance official website page and there you can check the balance of your gift card. For that, you will need to open any web browser on your device and in the search bar type in business.walmart.com. Once you have entered this keyword, press on enter key of your keyboard to search for it. And now within a while, you will be taken to the official website of Walmart Business. Once you reach to this page, now hover your cursor over this departments option and then you will be able to see this drop-down menu. From here, you will need to select the gift card option and at the right side you'll be able to see check gift card balance option. Simply click on it and then you'll be taken to this page. You may also directly go to the search bar and then type in business.walmart.com/account/gift card/balance and then you'll be taken to this page. Now once you reach to this page, here you will need to enter your 16-digit card number and the 4-digit PIN. Click on this card number text box and there enter your 16-digit card number. Make sure to enter it correctly. Now after entering it, now enter your PIN. After entering the PIN, you can simply click on this check balance button right here in order to check the balance. After that, you will be presented with your gift card balance. Here, if you scroll down, there you will be able to see some tips for checking your gift card balance. If you have the physical gift card, then you will need to scratch off the silver coating on the back side of your card to reveal the code, and then you will need to enter the last 4 digits of your 16-digit gift card number to view the gift card balance. And if you are using the e-gift card, then you can find the PIN in the confirmation email. If in case you don't have a PIN, then you will need to exchange your gift card for the one that has the PIN. You may also do this at any Walmart store. Or if you would like to get the instant help, then you may also call to the given number here, which is 1-888-537-5503, and then you will need to check your balance by following the prompts. So by following these steps, you should be able to check your Walmart gift card balance. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Also hit that bell icon to never miss any updates from us. Thank you for watching.